Alright guys, welcome again to the channel and the video. If you remember the previous video today that I have talked about a couple of hours ago, I mentioned that this could be happen, and exactly you can see that happened even before the market retest to our target, right? And that's why I told you, if you remember that I told you and mentioned in a 15-minute time frame, in the short term firm, the sellers were a little bit weak and also buyers were weak. When we talk about that fund, the market was around here, and I expected this market bullish up move that will be a weak up move, like a sideways market up move, and that market sideways gone a little bit up and reversed even before our target reached. Now and again, and then market goes down and reversed, and again the market makes some kind of uptrend, but this uptrend also kind of a weak. Buyers are acting right now same as the previous one, and as well sellers also weak. You need to keep remember that, right? So I'm expecting some kind of another market consolidations around here. However, we expect that this market move will be a bearish, right? So if we switch into 4-hour time frame, I told you my analyze before, I expected this market up move. Now looks like in a long-term firm market that's happening. This market pullback is keep happening right now. If buyers want to take the control of the market, I mean, if Bitcoin wants to make another bullish move, they have to break this line over here. The buyers failed to break this line 2 times, right? 2 times. So if actually buyers of Bitcoin wants to take the control of the market, they have to break this line. So they failed again and again right now in the second consecutive time, and now market is consolidating and correcting. This correcting move, I can expect that will continue until around this area, but this move we can see some kind of weak up move, like sideways market up move, like that one. So currently in a short-term form, we don't see much strong buyers over here. So before that up move started at least to around here, before market reverse to this area, we could be able to see more market down consolidations just like that, and after that just like that, could be that potential could be, right? So we can confirm that, more clearly confirm that after create some more consolidations around here. But remember, the market is still below this high volume line. That's high volume area breaks through, and now again reach into that area, but I'm not sure if buyers break this line again, will create some market more consolidations. And as well, let's have a look at the NASDAQ over here for a moment. NASDAQ actually recovering the market after that bearish move, but Bitcoin's buys are not yet just like that. And I have another doubt of NASDAQ. If market reach to these areas, there's another possibility reversed again, because there's no much bias over here. Maybe market reversed if NASDAQ and as well S&P 500 as well, right? S&P 500 also recovering the market, but NASDAQ and Bitcoin has a strong positive correlation. So, and those who are new to this channel and the video, some people might be wondering that why I'm talking about a stock market index in a cryptocurrency video. The reason is stock market, S&P 500 and as well NASDAQ has a very strong positive correlation with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market. So that's why always we're talking about US stock market and NASDAQ indexes, right? Well, so I have this doubt if buyers has some kind of a plan. Once market reach to these areas, there could be another market down move, because we have seen this weak up move, which is buyers and sellers are kind of a struggling market, right? Oh, what happened? Well, okay, right. So we could be able to see another maybe, right? Potentially, once market reach to these areas, could be possibly could be reversed again, because this area reversed a couple of times earlier in the previous months. So kind of a strong area. Could be able to see some kind of market reverse. So once market reach to this area, we could be able to see that one. So that's why I told again and again, Bitcoin didn't much strong at this time. So let's have a look at the cryptocurrency in strength. When looking at the Ethereum also got weak right now. Ethereum also got weak, and as well USD also getting weak right now again and again. What's happening? Looks like a faking the market right now for a big down move, right? That means when USD getting weaker, Bitcoin has to make a strong up move, but currently market happening the opposite. So could be probably a starting point of a big move. I think that's big move. Could be, probably could be, potentially could be a down bearish move. So, and you can see the Bitcoin is very strong down move. We can, in the currency strength meter, sellers are very strong, and as well in the Bitcoin chart over here, the strength chart over here, you can see is still Bitcoin chart acting in the below this line over here that's broke and failed to reach again to the upside. And as well, you can see that in the USD also very weak. However, I think this is very unusual, right? So Bitcoin and USD in the same side, that's kind of unusual. So there is something big coming up. So let's have a look at the Ethereum also. Yeah, Ethereum also kind of a up move, but weak down move. So however, we could be able to see more market down move just like that before main uptrend. If that happens, if Ethereum take another bullish move, that didn't happen very early just like that didn't happen. Do not think about that one. There will be more consolidations, at least even just like this one, or we could be able to see more down move and go up, right? So I'm not buying around here at all, not even a Bitcoin, right? Not even a Bitcoin. I'm waiting, kind of look at the chart over here, a strong up move within 15 minutes, and before this candle opens up, the market bias are very weak, kind of a market faking. In such these areas, retail traders are buying and buying over and over again, but eventually could be failed market over here. That's why you need to concern about this one. Well, let's see what's going to happen, and I'll update you with another video, and be careful such areas.